What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a little off topic, but I need to get my voice, my little voice that I have out there to let people know about this situation because it's pretty disgusting what's going on right now on YouTube. And it's not the first time it happened, but a YouTuber that was big and beloved in the Minecraft community, Technoblade, passed away. And the only reason I know about that is because he had a big impact on my 7-year-old daughter. But there's other YouTubers out there that are exploiting the death, and this is by far not the first time it happened. If you guys want to know more about it, I recommend checking out Sensitive Society's video, Moist Critical, or Some Ordinary Gamer's video. I'll have a link to all their videos if you want to check it out. But to put it in perspective, it'd be like if Terrell Fixes All was to pass away, and then I was to make a video going, oh, the real reason Terrell Fixes All exposed, and then like not even 2 hours later I put, oh, the media lied. More evidence shows that Terrell Fixes All death was not an accident, and you know, so on and so forth. There was one YouTuber that made 27 videos on this, and it's not even about the money. He gained so many subscribers, so many views, and by far profited off of exploiting someone who passed away. You know, if you made one video just saying, hey, you know, you're a legend, you inspired me, it's sorry to see you go, you're a great person, that would have been fine. In my opinion, because there is a lot of YouTubers out there that inspire other YouTubers. Like I said, Steve Small Engine Saloon and Terrell Fixes All and Moormatic One all inspired me. So if they were to pass away, I would probably make a video saying how much, you know, they meant to me and why I started my channel teaching you guys how to repair small engines and just entertaining you guys. But like I'm saying, you know, YouTube is cracking down on this. There's one channel, I guess I'm going to say his name because he's no longer on the platform anymore. It's Owen. He had 3.2 million subscribers. And YouTube, he decided to put Mr. Beast's name with Technoblade's name into a video and clickbaited everybody. And it got like something million views. And YouTube terminated that, you know, because you can't clickbait on the YouTube. But the problem is, though, is there's these other YouTubers, which I don't want people to go find them and harass them. But they're out there. One of them made 27 videos within the span of 5 days. And it's just really disgusting how people can exploit someone who passed away. And if you guys don't know, you guys probably don't know because he's a Minecraft creator. But Technoblade passed away from cancer. He struggled for cancer for a long time and passed away. It was pretty sad. I watched the video. I could link the video where his father explains it, and it was pretty sad. You know, I have a kid myself, and I can't imagine what he's going through, so I really hope that no one even harasses them. But for these people to go and profit off of someone else's legacy is pretty disgusting in my opinion. And even though it doesn't relate to the small engine community and it doesn't relate to the mechanic industry and stuff, I figured I had to put my voice out there to let my viewers and my fans and my community know that this is a problem, and I hope YouTube does finish cracking down and get rid of some of these people. There's one YouTuber in particular that I want to talk about. And I'm not going to say his name because that's what he wants. He wants the fame. He wants the money. But he made about 7 videos on Technoblade's death. And then when everybody started calling him out for it, for all the money he's making, and let me just tell you this, I think a lot of his screenshots were faked because for millions of views on some of these videos, he was making a very little amount of money, which you could easily change, and which he does. He fakes a whole donation, which is disgusting. Like, he got so pressured that he faked a donation to try to prove himself right, and instantly called it out. You know what? Matter of fact, I'll play a little bit of Mudahar's video here, so you guys can see that, and let me know what you guys think.
Now, of course, what this person did was they went to the CureSarcoma.org Technoblade tribute. So again, here they are, they're going to make a donation, and of course, they're claiming to make a $3,000 donation as seen by that button. Now, of course, I'm going to just go frame by frame on this one, okay? So let's keep going bit by bit, ladies and gentlemen, all right, and actually see if this is a real donation. So, of course, did you catch that, audience? Did you catch that? All right, we're going to do the ghost adventure bullshit. The comma between the 3 and the 3 and the 0 disappeared. Now, that might not seem like big information to you, but of course, if you've been making YouTube videos like I have, y'all know a cut when you see it. So $3,000 with the comma, and then all of a sudden, it cuts to this. So of course, they then process the transaction, and of course, ladies and gentlemen, it has claimed to have gone through. Now here's where we're going to do a little bit of a scientific experiment, ladies and gentlemen, to prove. So of course, if you go to the exact same website as Braso did, you can go all the way down, and here you can type in an amount. I can put in $100,000, right? Now, of course, you see how it puts the comma in the right place between, you know, the third and fourth zero? If I put in $3,000, you can see that it is 3,000. Even if I click it, all right, to process the transaction, that comma isn't going to go away. Of course, I can also put in things like $1 and change it to $1. But of course, let me show you exactly what's happened. Let's say that you have it set to $1. Well, if you right-click on a page and go to Inspect Element here, you can highlight this exact thing right here. You can highlight the button, and where it says Donate $1, you can actually change this to $3,000. And of course, if we go back to that decrepit video, you can find out, whoa, that's $3,000 without the comma. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, people are literally faking donations. It took 5 seconds to make sure your fake Inspect Element didn't look bullshit. Here, let me.
But for him to go and fake a donation like that, blatantly obvious too. He messed up, took 5 seconds and messed up. I thought that was a pretty disgusting thing to do. I can't imagine, you know, like, just be honest. You're trying to make money, you know? You got called out. That's why you decided to donate. It wasn't because you're a good person, this YouTuber. These YouTubers are not, in my opinion, good people. If no one ever called them out on it, they weren't planning on donating a damn dime to anything. And it's not even about the money, as Moist Critical says. It's the fact that they gained 16,000 subscribers or 100 million views, and in the future, even after this thing dies, which there will still be fans. I don't know why people are fans of people, regardless of how it is. But even after this all dies, their numbers are up now for sponsorships. Their views are up now, and they profited. In the story, even without the dollar signs, they profited on views and subscribers, and their channel is now recognized as a bigger channel than would it actually be if they didn't exploit the situation of someone passing away from a horrible, horrible disease. I know most of people that watch my videos probably know someone who has cancer. I believe someone in our community, I can't remember right offhand, is going through someone with cancer right at this situation, or they just had someone recently pass away. I do not remember who they are, but if they are, I do remember. And my thoughts and prayers are with you with as much as I can do. I just have to give my voice out there to let you know that I think this is absolutely disgusting and apparent and should not be tolerated. Exploiting the death of anybody, whether they're a nobody, a YouTuber, a celebrity, a singer, a rapper, it doesn't matter. That is wrong, and if any of these YouTubers that are doing this are watching my video, I hope that you know that what you're doing is wrong. You know, one video is okay. You know, if it means something to you. You don't just make a video pretending that you like the guy. You know, I only know about Technoblade because of my daughter, or my niece. I mean, she's pretty much my daughter. But, you know, she watches all the Minecraft YouTubers and Roblox creators. It's their children, you know, and, you know, he was beloved, 13 million subscribers. You know, I understand he probably inspired a lot of people. But on that note, guys, I really, you know, I just had to say what I had to say, and, you know, it is what it is. These people can't get away with it. And YouTube is cracking down, and I hope they continue to crack down. I hope they go through and delete these other 4 or 5 other creators that are doing this nasty shit. I hope they delete their channels too and just take it all down. Like I said, links to all the other videos down below if you guys want to watch anything or keep it up, you know. And if you guys watch this, I really appreciate you guys. So without further ado, that's it. I'll have another repair video up on Monday. Have a good day.